The steamed rice comes out perfectly. Hi, this is the Tiger rice cooker, flour type. All the flour types have the same features for different sizes. I really like that it has a retractable power cord. I just need to pull the cord, then it'll retract inside of the pot to save space from having the cord laying around on the counter. This is the bottom of the pot. I've been using it for years and it's still great. It's light to carry around. This part is here to store the spatula that I already lost. This little container here is for when you open the lid, the steam comes out, it'll go down to it. You just need to press this little button here to open the lid. It has a non-stick finish and markers on the inside of the pot to measure the amount of water needed for cooking. This is another part of the lid, so we just need to clean this part of the lid instead of the whole thing. You can also remove this part of the vent to wash it. Then press the inner part of the lid back in after cleaning. The inner pot is easy to remove for cleaning or carrying around. To cook rice, you just plug it in, then press this button down to turn on the red light. When it's done, the button will pop up by itself. The yellow light is on. My rice is done. Let's stir it up to make it even.